today is Wednesday the 13th of March. Looking at already, and on the left we have our Bybit, and on the right we have KuCoin. The daily chart, I think back when I did this, I think that's when price started, and therefore through the bear market it dropped, and we found this bottoming formation. And you can see after that breakout, it was pretty bullish. I have my 80 wave count. I do see this as a reaccumulation structure. Question is that the base or is this the base? And what we can do is expect a range from there to that level here. I made the assumption that is one for a number of reasons, given with the Fibonacci. And so I'm expecting it to range a whole lot more. But we can have that potential of a breakout once it breaks this level, $104. I'm looking at if it breaks above it. For the time being, I think it's a shorting of position, just like here. We're in a small range. If we look at this chart on the right, and if you look at this chart on the right, this level here is significant, and we're getting a bounce. If you can look at this from a liquidity perspective, we took out that liquidity with that wick, but it's holding this level here on the daily. So I'm expecting to range in this quadrant for a while, this area to a bit more until it breaks out, and then it could probably go pretty bullish, but we have this immediate resistance based on Fibonacci. It's all new price discovery, so looking to short. So on the left, that represents a 4-hour chart. We did get that wick down and it was bought up, just to confirm. So I do see this coming up and either matching the previous 4-hour level right here and then pulling back, or we take out the liquidity at the top of this, close to the 1.618. So we have a range. If it goes up, it taps that and then comes back down, that will be a shorting signal once we break below this. Now, one thing we didn't do is this. Give us a sec. We got that. Turn it down. Let's do that. Fixed range volume profile all along here. Let's see what it gives us. So we got that. That makes sense. Tap that. Now, do we have more than that? Let's just go across here. Right. So if price was to come down, we'll be seeing that level, potentially that level as support, or furthermore around here as well. But that is resistance. We've got the point of control right here. We've got two levels. One is the top to the bottom, 50% range is exactly resistance, so it should act as support. However, on the way down, we might get the point of control here as support as well. And we're just going to trade the range. There's not much really else to talk about. Whoops. That level is, I do expect to go long, and that level to go short. What is Bitcoin doing at this point? It's ranging, and we have this here. Bitcoin, we had our chart previous video. Oh, actually it was on our Discord channel that we had these levels for going long. Now that is a level of resistance, and we're seeing that first rejection. We might see a second, and then we might range in this quadrant. The fair value gap was taken out, makes sense. And the neckline. So what's this trying to do? It's trying to regain this neckline. Once we regain that, then we can become a bit bullish. But at this point, I see it coming down and ranging in this area quadrant with the all-time previous high as support. And this is our base, really. So we might be here for a while. Still, if you look at the previous all-time high, we were there for close to a week or so. And that might just give us the likes of these type of tokens to continue on doing their thing. So as long as Bitcoin goes sideways, these also going to go with potential moves to the upside. And already is one of those charts that looks good, clean. It's a clean chart, and therefore we might just trade the range until we can't. This is a bullish channel, and it might, if we get that last dip, we might just go bang and then continue on. I do see these levels. That is one level I'm looking at. Obviously this one here is first, and then if we can pass that, then we'll look at these ones here. Ultimately that will be a major resistance. So what we started at $2.90, we're at $80. So that's a significant amount of gain. What is that? Oh geez, 2,900. Might just have more to go. So this doesn't look like a topping off structure yet. Looks like it wants to keep going. So I'm going to leave that there, guys. Please give me a like and share, and I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.
There you have it. Please give Sam a like, share, and subscribe to his channel to support him for doing more of these posts.